Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Learn English Together. Today, we're going to learn useful English while visiting a modern coffee shop. You'll learn how to order coffee, ask questions about the menu, choose food and drinks, pay for your order, and enjoy a natural conversation in English. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel much more confident ordering at a cafe anywhere in the world. But before we begin, here's today's question. What drink does Daniel order at the coffee shop? Listen carefully throughout the story. We'll reveal the answer at the end of the video. Now, let's go to the coffee shop.
There it is. That coffee shop looks really nice.
It does. I've heard they make excellent coffee.
The place looks busy. That's usually a good sign.
I agree. Let's see.
It smells amazing in here.
Fresh coffee always smells wonderful.
And I can smell fresh pastries too.
Now I'm getting hungry.
Look at the display case. Everything looks delicious.
I don't know what to choose yet.
Maybe we should look at the menu first.
Good idea.
There are so many different drinks.
They have coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and iced drinks.
I wasn't expecting so many choices.
Coffee shops usually have a large menu these days.
Should we order something to eat too?
I think so. I'm a little hungry.
Me too. Maybe we can share a dessert later.
That sounds perfect.
I can see the line moving quickly.
We won't have to wait long.
That's good.
Then let's decide what we'd like before it's our turn.
Here we are. We have a better view of the menu now.
Great! Let's take a closer look.
There are so many kinds of coffee.
Yes, I can see espresso, cappuccino, latte, and Americano.
What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A latte has more milk, and a cappuccino has more foam.
That helps. I think I might order a latte.
Good choice. Lattes are very popular.
They also have iced coffee.
That's a great option on a hot day.
I think I'd rather have a hot drink today.
Me too.
Look at the bakery section.
I see croissants, muffins, cookies, and slices of cake.
Everything looks fresh.
It certainly does.
Should we get something sweet?
Maybe after we finish our drinks.
That's a good idea. We can decide later.
Exactly.
They also have sandwiches.
Those would be perfect if you're hungry.
I think I'll have something light.
I'm still deciding.
The menu also shows different sizes.
Small, medium, and large.
I usually order a medium.
I think I'll do the same.
It looks like we're next.
Perfect. I know what I'm going to order now.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi. I'd like a medium latte, please.
Of course. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes. I'd also like a blueberry muffin.
Great choice. Anything to drink besides the latte?
No, that's everything for me.
Perfect. And what can I get for you?
I'd like a medium cappuccino, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please?
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes. I'll have a ham and cheese croissant.
Would you like to add a cookie or a dessert today?
Not right now, thanks. Maybe later.
No problem. Can we have our order for here, please?
Of course.
Can we also have 2 glasses of water?
Certainly. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your total is $18.50.
I'll pay by card.
Please tap your card when you're ready.
Done.
Payment approved.
That was quick.
Thank you. Your drinks will be ready in just a few minutes.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We'll call your names when your order is ready.
That didn't take long.
No, the line moved pretty quickly.
Let's wait over here.
Good idea. We can still see the counter from here.
The cafe has a really nice atmosphere.
It does. I like the music they're playing.
It's quiet enough to have a conversation.
That's one of the reasons I like coffee shops.
Look at all the people working on their laptops.
Some of them are probably studying or working remotely.
I'd love to spend an afternoon here.
Me too. It feels very relaxing.
I can hear the coffee machine.
The barista is making someone's espresso.
It's interesting to watch.
They're making every drink one at a time.
The pastries look even better from here.
I know. I'm already thinking about dessert.
Maybe we should try a slice of cake later.
That sounds like a great idea.
Oh, I think they're calling someone's order.
Not ours yet.
I wonder how long it usually takes.
Probably just another minute or 2.
Everyone seems very patient.
Fresh coffee is worth waiting for.
You're right.
I think our order will be ready very soon.
Emma, Daniel, your order is ready.
That's us. I'll take the drinks.
I'll grab the tray.
Everything looks perfect.
It smells amazing. And please be careful. The drinks are hot.
I will. Thank you. We also need some napkins and a couple of sugar packets.
Do you want any sugar in your latte?
Yes. I usually drink it with sugar.
I also like a little sugar in my coffee. I will take it.
Thanks. And don't forget the lids, please.
Good idea. It'll be easier to carry the drinks.
Should we also grab some straws?
We don't need them for hot drinks.
You're right.
Everything is ready now.
Let's find a nice place to sit.
I think I saw an empty table by the window.
Perfect! I love sitting near the window.
Me too. Let's go before someone else takes it.
There it is.
The table by the window is still free.
Perfect. Let's sit there.
I'll put my latte here.
And I'll set the tray in the middle of the table.
This is a really comfortable spot.
We have a nice view of the street.
I enjoy watching people walk by.
Me too. Every coffee shop has its own atmosphere.
The chairs are surprisingly comfortable.
That's good. We can relax for a while.
The sunlight coming through the window is beautiful.
It makes the cafe feel warm and cozy.
I'm glad we came here today.
So am I.
Let's try our coffee.
Good idea.
My latte is delicious.
My cappuccino is excellent.
Is it as good as you expected?
Even better.
Try the muffin.
It looks fresh.
It's soft and full of blueberries.
Then I'm definitely going to try it.
Here you go.
Thanks. It's really good.
Would you like to try my latte?
Sure. And you can taste my cappuccino if you'd like.
That's a deal.
It's fun trying different drinks.
I agree. It helps you discover new favorites. This is exactly what I needed today.
A good cup of coffee can make any day better.
I come to coffee shops to relax.
I usually come here to read or catch up on work.
Do you visit coffee shops often?
About once or twice a week.
That's nice. I probably come a little less often.
Do you have a favorite drink?
I usually order a latte.
Mine is a cappuccino.
I can see why you like it.
It's rich, smooth, and not too strong.
The coffee tastes very fresh.
I think they use high-quality coffee beans.
The service was excellent too.
Yes, the barista was very friendly.
That's always important.
A friendly smile makes a big difference.
I like the music in here.
It's relaxing without being too loud.
This cafe feels very welcoming.
I would definitely come back.
Me too.
And by the way, we should try one of their desserts.
I was just thinking the same thing.
Maybe we still have room for one today.
I think I do.
Then let's take one more look at the dessert display.
That's a great idea. Wow, the dessert display looks even better up close.
I don't know where to start.
They have cheesecakes, brownies, cookies, and fruit tarts.
Everything looks fresh.
Which dessert do you usually choose?
I almost always get cheesecake.
Really? That's my favorite too.
Then we're thinking the same thing.
The chocolate brownie looks tempting.
It does. But the cheesecake looks amazing.
Should we share one?
That's a great idea.
Then we can both have a taste without eating too much.
Exactly.
It looks delicious.
Let's take it and go back to our table.
I can't wait to try it.
Me neither.
It's so creamy.
And the crust is perfectly crisp.
This might be the best cheesecake I've ever had.
I was just about to say the same thing.
I'm really glad we decided to order dessert.
Me too. It was definitely worth it.
I really enjoyed our time here.
Me too. Everything was excellent.
The coffee was delicious.
And the cheesecake was amazing.
I'm glad we decided to stop by this cafe.
It was a great choice.
I think we're finished now.
Me too. Let's clean up our table.
I'll throw away the napkins and cups.
I'll take the tray back to the counter.
Everything is nice and tidy now.
That's always the polite thing to do.
I noticed many people did the same.
It helps keep the cafe clean for everyone.
Should we leave a tip?
Yes, I think the service was excellent.
I agree. The staff was very friendly.
I'll leave a few dollars in the tip jar.
I'm sure they'll appreciate it.
Ready to go?
Almost. I'd like one last look around.
It's a beautiful place.
Maybe we'll come back next weekend.
I'd like that.
Thanks for joining me today.
Anytime. Good coffee is even better with good company.
I couldn't agree more.
Let's head outside.
Sounds good. Let's go.
How was the story? Before we finish, let's go back to the question from the beginning of the video. Do you remember it? What drink does Daniel order at the coffee shop? If you find it, please write your answer in the comment section. Writing in English helps a lot to improve it quickly. Great job if you got it right. I hope you learned some useful English expressions and feel more confident ordering food and drinks at a coffee shop. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us your favorite coffee or cafe drink. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next English lesson.